Hello viewers, a lot of users have actually bought many tablets and iPads during Republic Day sale, but in this Republic Day sale the price of each and every tablet was on the higher side. And for those users who have missed the chance of buying any tablet during these Republic Day sale may wait for another sale, and they must know the exact pricing of each and every tablet. For example, if you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price for this iPad is around 28 to 29,000 rupees, but in Republic Day sale it was priced at 31,000 rupees, which is a hefty amount. iPad is generally best for those who want to edit contents on their iPad. iPad 11th generation comes with A16 Bionic chipset, which is very powerful in terms of video editing, under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. Next, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case the best price for this tablet is around 28 to 30,000 rupees. Many people have bought this tablet at 31 to 32,000 rupees in flipkart.com. Currently the price is very high, so wait for another sale. Whenever you get this tablet under 30,000 price bracket, you can definitely make the purchase. Another tablet that is in high demand, that is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. But I don't recommend this tablet in 2026 because you will not get more software updates on this tablet. Maybe one software updates can be available on this tablet, so I don't think you should invest in this tablet. Rather, you should go for Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE series. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best price for this tablet is 32 to 33,000 rupees. This is a very good tablet with excellent display and very good processor, and battery backup is also very good. But in 2026, I think you should skip this tablet if you are planning to buy a tablet for long-term investment. Future software updates will be limited on this tablet, so you should rather go for Tab S10 series. The next tablet in the list is iPad Air M3. For the 128GB Wi-Fi variant, the best price that you can pay is 42,000 rupees. You will get the best discounts on Amazon.in, so wait for the sale. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Oneplus Pad Lite, in that case the best price would be 11,000 rupees for the 6GB RAM and 12 to 13,000 rupees for the 8GB 128GB variant. OnePlus has launched OnePlus Pad Go 2, and that will be a very good tablet if you can get that tablet under 20,000 price bracket. So wait for the right offers to come on OnePlus tablet. If you can wait, you can get the best deals on various tablets, and I will let you know about the best deals and offers, so stay subscribed with this channel. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.